In this video, I'll guide you through how to access your WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. If you've just set up your website or you're still getting familiar with Hostinger's control panel, this walkthrough will help you quickly and confidently reach your WordPress dashboard without having to type in any special links or remember extra logins. First, start by signing into your Hostinger account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you'll land in what Hostinger calls the H panel. Think of H panel as your main control room for everything related to your hosting, your websites, emails, domains, and various tools. This is the place you'll return to whenever you want to manage your site behind the scenes. From here, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on Websites. This section is where Hostinger lists every website that you have connected to your hosting account. If you only have one site, this will be very straightforward. If you have several, you'll see each of them displayed, usually with the domain name and some basic information. Now, find the specific website whose WordPress dashboard you want to access. Take a moment to double check that you're choosing the right one, especially if you manage multiple sites. Once you've found it, look for a button next to that website labeled Manage. This button is your gateway to all the detailed settings for that particular site. Click on Manage. After clicking Manage, you'll be taken to a new page dedicated just to that website. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different sections and tools. This sidebar is laid out to help you work through everything related to your site, from files and databases to performance and security options. In this sidebar, you're looking for the WordPress section. It may be grouped with other tools, but it should be clearly labeled WordPress. Click on that and then choose Overview. This overview page is specifically designed for managing your WordPress installation on that site. Once you're on the WordPress overview page, you'll see information related to your WordPress setup, such as the version you're using, some quick actions, and usually a direct link or button to open the WordPress dashboard. Depending on Hostinger's layout at the time, this might be called something like Edit Website, Dashboard, or Admin Panel. When you click that button, Hostinger will automatically log you into your WordPress admin area, as long as your login details are correctly stored in the system. This takes you straight into the familiar WordPress dashboard, where you can create posts and pages, install themes and plugins, customize your design, and manage all of your content. Using Hostinger's H panel to reach the dashboard is especially useful if you've forgotten your usual WordPress login URL, or if you just want a quick, reliable way into your site's backend. To recap the flow mentally, log into Hostinger, open H panel, go to Websites, click Manage on the correct site, then in the left sidebar choose WordPress, then Overview, and from there, click through to your WordPress dashboard. Once you've done this a couple of times, it will feel very natural. That's all you need to access your WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. With this path in mind, you can jump into managing your site whenever you need, directly from your hosting account.